Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ricky Bobby here, and today I'm showing you my everyday makeup look again, except this time it's in real time and I'm gonna be showing you how I get things done faster by changing up some of the steps that I use. You'll notice that I'm using some different products this time, but I'll link those below for you so that you can check those out. As always, please subscribe to my new channel and let me know what you think. All right. Let's do it. I'm using IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation in color light, and to apply it I'm using an IT Cosmetics angled foundation brush. I just recently came across this kind of foundation brush and honestly it has changed my life. It works way better than a beauty blender. I'm not using this foundation in a traditional way. I'm using it more like a concealer, mostly because I like to feel as natural as possible. And this foundation actually blends really nicely with your skin and it does a good job of covering up blemishes and discoloration. Next, I am using Tarte setting powder. I got this really cute brush from Tarte as well. It's the brush that actually goes with this setting powder. Before I bought it, I was using a regular kabuki brush to apply, which worked pretty much the same, but I got a good deal on this one, so, and it's cute. So the bronzer I'm using today is Bronze Goddess from Estee Lauder, and I'm using my contouring brush that's flat and round to apply today, just from my hairline down to about the middle of my cheekbone. I'm also gonna use this underneath my chin to kind of give myself a little more definition there. The blush I'm using today is a brand called Pretty Vulgar, and the color is Make Them Blush. I haven't used it in a while, so when I went to use it, I forgot how pigmented it was, so it was really dark. The highlighter I'm using today is NYX Born to Glow, and the name of this color is Stand Your Ground. I love this highlighter, and I like to use it for all purposes that highlighting needs on your face with my tiny eyeshadow brush and my actual tapered highlighting brush. Blend that blush a little bit more. It's still pretty dark. The first mascara I'm going to use is Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Angel. It's one of my favorite mascaras because it's an angled brush and it has tiny, tiny bristles on the very top, so I feel like it pushes your lashes up and it also coats every single one. first coat of my mascara dries, I'm gonna start on my eyebrows. The pencil I'm using today is IT Cosmetics Brow Power in Universal Taupe. I like this one because it doesn't have a reddish tint to it at all, and it's got a really nice brush at the one end to basically brush out your brows. Then I'm going to use the brush on the back end to brush them out and basically blend the color that I traced my eyebrows with. This mascara that I'm using is also Maybelline. The title of it is Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect. This is my other favorite mascara. This brush really pushes them up. I feel like I have pretty long eyelashes, but they tend to stay straight, so I use this mascara to add another lengthening coat. It's like a long process for one coat of mascara, but I like to make sure that every single lash gets coated and that they're all going the same direction. So while this last coat of mascara is drying, I'm gonna do the ending steps to my eyebrow, which is a gel as always. I'm using Tarte Cosmetics Busy Gal Brows. I like this gel because it has an itty bitty brush in there. It gets every single hair of your eyebrows, which is amazing. So I don't have to do a lot of filling before. This is really pigmented, so it gives me the full brow look that I like. Final step for me is always my setting spray. I use Urban Decay All Nighter, and this stuff is amazing. I have never used a setting spray that worked so well. You could sweat all day and it still would be perfect. The technique that I'm using right now, the back of the bottle literally tells you to spray a T and then an X on your face 2 times, so that's literally what I do.